again why you're dressed like that?
I'm getting the pelican to accept me in his flock and follow me out of the door.
And the dance?
It feels good to shake my tail feathers.
I can't tell if it's strange or beautiful.
It's both. It's strangeful. Come, my winged brother. It's time for us to leave and continue our migration to South America as we birds do.
I don't think he's buying it.
Oops, I forgot to ask him in his own language. Squawk!
Wait, I hear something. What is that?
I think I accidentally summoned the entire flock, and they're talking about attacking the horse!
The horse?
Wait, hold on. Sorry, the house.
Oh no! We can't fight up a whole flock of birds! What do we do?